Hurricane Katrina was the third strongest hurricane to make landfall on America in 100 years. It hit Louisiana on the 28th of August 2005 with the power of a nuclear explosion. With 125 mile-per-hour winds, she caused widespread devastation. 80% of New Orleans is several feet below sea level. It's surrounded by water on all sides. Hurricanes bring rising sea levels, making the city extremely vulnerable to flooding. The city's sole protection is a series of flood barriers known as levees. Aware that the hurricane was closing in on New Orleans, a state of emergency was declared and all residents asked to leave the city. But many had no means to get out. They were directed to the makeshift relief center in the Superdome football stadium. Here they spent the night sheltering from the storm. On the morning of Monday, August the 29th, the city seemed to have survived the worst of the storm. But then, unexpectedly, several sections of the levees holding back the water from the city of New Orleans gave way and water poured in. Soon, 80% of the city was submerged by water in places up to 20 feet deep. Thousands of people were stranded. Many headed to the Superdome for temporary refuge. How could such a rich and powerful nation be so ill-prepared to meet the needs of its citizens?